What happens when a massive tractor tire finally gives up? Most people see junk, but in this workshop, it's just raw material for a masterpiece. Today, we're witnessing the brutal and satisfying process of tire retreading. Let's dive in. First up, the old tread has to go. They lock this beast onto a spinning lathe. Watch that blade. It's carving through layers of hardened rubber like butter. They have to strip it down to a perfectly smooth surface. One wrong move here, and the balance is ruined for good. Now it's time for the detail work. Using a handheld high-speed buffer, they smooth out every single imperfection. This isn't just for looks. That texture is what allows the new rubber to bond with the old casing. It's messy, it's loud, and it takes serious arm strength. With the tire prepped, they apply a specialized rubber cement. They're painting on a chemical bond that's going to hold everything together under tons of pressure. Every inch has to be covered perfectly. If there's a dry spot, the tire could delaminate on the field. Here's where it gets interesting. They're layering on camelback rubber, thick, uncured sheets that are incredibly sticky. They wrap it around the casing, building up the thickness needed for those deep tractor lugs. Look at the precision as they trim the edges for a seamless fit. This is the climax. The tire goes into a massive, heated press. Under intense heat and steam pressure, the soft rubber is forced into the mold, cooking it into that iconic tractor tread pattern. This is where the chemistry happens, turning soft rubber into a rock-hard gripping machine. And there it is, from a bald, useless scrap to a brand new, high-traction beast ready for the toughest terrain. Recycling at this scale is pure art. If you're blown away by this craftsmanship, hit that like button and subscribe for more insane builds.